Uh, you get a nice plaque with the mayor stamp on it.
I didn't vote.
You get to ride on a float St. Patty's Day.
I hate parades.
Did I mention extra holiday pay?
I hate you.
Lucy.
Chicago, the third most populous city in the US next to New York and Los Angeles. Chicago hosted 58 million tourist visitors before the pandemic, setting a new record and has been voted the best large city in the US for 4 years in a row by Condé Nast Traveler. Chicago has been called the Windy City, not because it is the windiest city in the United States, but metaphorically to make out that Chicagoans were braggarts. But seriously, the Midwesterners are one of the friendliest bunch of people out there. It's not a nickname Chicago gave itself, but something that the city has embraced over time. After the Great Chicago Fire of 1871, which destroyed several square miles and left more than 100,000 people homeless, the city rebuilt. With its construction boom came population growth throughout the decades, and by 1900, Chicago was the fifth largest city in the world. Okay, that's a very high church. Alright, so we're heading to the Millennium Park. Okay, that's the Daily Center. And the seat of Coco. Welcome to the Loop. The Loop is the city's central business district, home to Chicago's commercial center, and contains the headquarters of several global and national corporations, retailers, restaurants, cultural, and entertainment district. So this is the L, or the elevated train tracks. Fantastic. Whenever you're in Chicago, you will see one of these Chicago Bulls. Welcome to Millennium Park. So that's J. Pritzker Pavilion. Surprisingly, there aren't really that much tourists. So welcome to the Cloud Gate Monument. Kick off your visit to Chicago with a trip to Cloud Gate in Millennium Park. The sculpture, known as the Bean, is made of 168 pieces of stainless steel pieced together without visible seams. The Bean is one of the most IG-worthy spots in the city and has a 12-foot arch, but due to COVID-19, it is fenced off.
The lunch special menu,
Okay.
they're ready to go. They come every 15 minutes fresh from the oven, individual size 6-inch.
Oh.
Sausage, cheese, pepperoni.
All right.
And comes with the side order. You have a choice of the house salad, Caesar salad, garlic fries, or soup. House salad or Caesar salad?
Caesar. Okay, the Caesar.
Any drinks for you?
I'll have.
So we have a Pepsi product, we have a beer.
Icy's in Sweden, right?
Unsweetened.
Okay, but I'll just have the Diet Pepsi.
That Pepsi.
Yeah, alright. And then can I have one more? Actually, I'm craving for mozzarella triangles. Sure. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you. Right. That's true, but it's like. We're heading towards Michigan Avenue. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of our new videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Stay safe.